Hi, my name is Rob Michael, and this is going to be one of my recipes today, and it's called the Harvest Smoothie, and I have 2 apples in it right now, and so that's the beginning. So I'm about to do the rest here. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a peel right here, and I'm gonna peel it. If you don't have a peeler, you can just cut it. It's right with me. And well, then you can put the carrots in. 1 whole carrot peeled, or you can have the skin, either one. I peeled it, and so next we'll press that in. We'll put this a little bit of this in. This is pumpkin. See? Go. And then we'll sprinkle some frozen or refrigerated pecans. These are frozen. I'll put a big one in there. And then take some cinnamon or other spices. Just a little bit. Pumpkin. Just give it a little flavor, spice. And then take the water. Ooh, that's a lot of water. Put it in there. Helps it blend, and it gives them a creamy texture. This is what it looks like. Then put the lid on. You gotta press that down some. Then you put the lid on. There's a lot of this on. It's good. Then this is a bullet, and if you don't have a bullet, use a food processor. It's on. Here we go. Shake it a little. Try that again. I think this should be it. Ooh. Here it is. Nice. The smells super duper good. Really, really, really good. And I have a glass, and you don't have to put it in the glass. You can just eat it right out of the container. I'm putting it in the glass. Ta-da! Very, very good. I like it. You can try this recipe if you want. You don't have to. That's another one of my recipes. I'll probably be having more. Bye.